What is going on, my fellow geeks and collectors? We are back with another review, and today we are reviewing Transformers Robots in Disguise Warrior Class Ratchet. So let's get these out of the way, get Ratchet out of the way, and let's bring in the packaging. So here you have a nice picture of Ratchet, all this fun stuff. This is the Season 2 repackaging stuff. Back of the box, you got him, Minicons, and all that fun jazz. That back. So here is Warrior Class Ratchet. Try to. Oh, also in the packaging, you get these two little blasters. I added this little bit of red. Focus. Yeah. Alright. Get these out of the way. And also, I added these little bits of tape here because you'll find out later in bot mode. But yes, here is Ratchet. And if you didn't know already, he is a heavy remold of Strong Arm. But yes, Ratchet is a remold of Strong Arm. He's a nice figure, actually, a nice big bulky figure. Get a close-up look on the grill. If I can get the... Whoa. There. You see there's an indent for an Autobot symbol. I wish they would have completed this grill, but I'm going to buy the repro labels for him eventually, and it will make this guy 10 times better. So, let's bring in some comparisons. There we go. So again, here he is with Strong Arm. See, same height, same mold. There is her. Here he is with Underbite. That's not the scale, but and just because here he is with Underbite, Beast Mode. Here he is with Drift, his wave mate. And I say his wave mate because this is not the original version of Drift. You can see what's holding up the camera. Sorry. Trying to... Okay. And finally, here he is with KO Optimus. And that looks good. Alright, so I'm going to get all these guys transformed, and then we're going to start the transformation on Ratchet. So here we go. Transform Ratchet. I'm going to take his arms, bring them out, fold this panel up, down, up, bring his arms down. You want to I know, you guys really can't see this, I'm sorry. Unpeg the wings, there's doors, flip the backpack up, rotate the waist around, bring his arms down with his chest panel up, and up. Unpeg his legs and flip the panels around. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Ratchet in his bot mode. Here we have Ratchet in his bot mode. Get a close-up look on his face. See, nice looking face. And yes, I put a little bit of detail in there. But overall though, he is a nice looking robot. Articulation wise, his head is on a ball joint, the limited one. Arms are on a ball joint. They can do a full 360. They don't want to. They're on a hinge here also. on a hinge, legs are on a ball joint, go forward, back, in and out, all that fun stuff. Now, my issue with this ratchet is his backpack doesn't want to stay up, like, flush, so it droops a little bit. That's why I put that tape on there. You can give Ratchet his guns. Me, I only give him one, because I don't like him with both of them in his hand. The other one, I kind of like to peg back here. Hold on. Yeah. And pretend he has his antenna thingy. But, let's take that out of there because it's making his backpack droop even more. So there's Ratchet. Now for comparison, here he is with his mold mate. Strong arm. You can see they're the exact same mold, just a lot of reshelling. Here he is with Underbite. Underbite should really be like here to him. Here he is with Bumblebee. Because I also have him here, here is Fix It. Here he is with his mold mate or wave mate Drift. And here he is with his bestest buddy in the whole world, Optimus. But, yeah. Ratchet. He is a good figure. There's some things I don't like about him, like the fact that he is kind of just a strong arm repaint, remold. I would have been fine if they heavily retooled the Prime Ratchet to make Ratchet. But, overall, this is a pretty good figure. If you like the Robots in Disguise line, I think you should buy him. I've been seeing a lot of people just buying this for their, More Than Meets the Eye collection. Like their IDW Ratchet, because it kind of resembles IDW Ratchet. But, yeah. I think that is about it for the Warrior Class Ratchet review. I know I said I'd review him next, but I think I'm going to review him last. Just because I've got a couple other reviews that I want to get out of the way. And just to note, yes, I will review Bumblebee, even though he has a couple issues at the moment. So, yeah, I think that's it for the Warrior Class Ratchet review. Thank you guys for watching this review. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for all that fun stuff. Stay tuned for the next review, which will be Drift. So, thanks for watching, guys. I am out of here. Peace.